Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2005. The given question is the relation book title comma price. Okay, contains the title and price of 5 different books. Okay, assume that no 2 books have the same price. Okay, so now they gave a particular query and they are asking what will be the output. Okay, so did they clearly say that the count of the book is a 5, guys? I think I read somewhere it is 5, right? The relation book title comma price contains the title and price of different books. Assume that there is no 2 books have the same price. What will be the following SQL query? So option A says that title of the 4 most expensive books, title of the 5 most inexpensive books, title of the 5 most, okay, so I think I've seen that 5 in options, okay, yes, so title of 5 most expensive books, title of 5 most expensive books, okay, yes, okay, 5th most expensive book and 5 most expensive book. Okay, so basically this question completely contains about these numbers, right? So the maximum number in the question is 5. So let us take 7 books, guys. So we can take 6 books also, but I want to play safe. So let us take 7 books. So A, B, C, D, E, F, 1 2 3 4 5 6, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so the first book cost is, okay, so they did not say minimum cost and everything, right? So let us write 100, 200, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300. Okay, yes. So now the given query is, okay, so it is having a sub query, right? Okay, so what are we trying to print, guys? At the end we want only titles. So all the options talk about this titles only, right? Yes. Okay, so select a title from a book as B. So basically here we assume this as B. Okay, where, so now this is our inner query, right? So let us execute this inner query first. Okay, yes, so it says that select count star from book as a T where T dot price is greater than B dot price. Okay, so indirectly here they are trying to compare the price with the price by duplicating the table. So indirectly this table is indirectly written twice, right? Because once it is called as a B and the other time it is called as a T. So whenever you are working in this way, please rewrite the table, guys, because if you rewrite it, you will get more clarity while solving the question. If you try to understand with the single table, it might be a bit confusing. Okay, so now what we are doing is select count star from books as a T where T dot price is greater than B dot price. Okay, so indirectly what we are doing here, guys, so we are trying to count how many times, right? So select count star from books as a T where T dot price is greater than B dot price. So we are indirectly counting how many times the price is greater, right? Yes, so 100 is not greater than 100, but it is greater than everyone else. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so where 6 is one result. Okay, similarly let us go through 200. When it comes to 200, it will be greater than 5 items, right? Yes, because after 200, what are there, guys? 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, I'm writing directly. So when it comes to 700, you will get a 0. When it comes to 600, what we will get, guys? You will get only 1, I think. So only 700 will be there. When it comes to 500, 600 and 700, so 2 will be there. When it comes to 400, we are having 500, 600, 700. So 3 are there. When it comes to 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So 4 are there. So indirectly, this is the result which we will be getting, right? Yes. So now we are checking among these all, which is less than 5. So this is not less than 5. This is not less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically other than the first 2 rows, the rest all rows will be passed here, right? Yes. So after this where condition, so this will be the result. So among these all details, we are printing the title. So C to G, you will get the result. Okay, so now option A says that the title of 4 most expensive books. I am clear here, 1 2 3 4 5. So I got 5 books. So this is wrong. So any one of them could be correct. And similarly, option B and C, they are doing a small mistake here, guys. So they are clearly saying the 5th expensive book or the 5th inexpensive book. So those two are also wrong. I am just printing the title of most 5 expensive books, guys. Right? So from 700 to 300, the top 5 expensive books is what I am printing. So D will be the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So I think most of the students understood now, right, how to solve these type of questions. So whenever these type of questions are given, please write down them and solve it step by step, guys. Please be patient. So these questions might take 2 to 3 minutes, but these type of questions will be directly given for 2 marks, guys. So I think spending 5 minutes for 2 marks is really valuable, right? Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So how exactly we are solving it? Yes. And please rewrite the tables whenever they are renamed, guys. So here once they are named as B and T. So that's the reason why I wrote them and I started comparing, right? Yes. And please take simpler examples, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.